Hello everyone, take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Now take that ponytail and again tie it in another ponytail. The ponytail should be in two parts. Then take the rest over part of the hair and tie plaits out of them. Then decorate it with the help of your favorite ribbon. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of two ponytails from below. Take the lower part of the ponytail and then divide it into two parts. After dividing it, tie plaits out of all the two parts. Take the leftover part of the hair and let it loose. The pigtaily part should be rolled upwards just in the form of snail and then secured it properly with the help of your favorite colored ribbon. Take your hair, tie it in the form of two half ponytails. Then insert your favorite ribbon to that ponytail and keep taking hair from every corner along with the edges of that ribbon to form another ponytail or pigtail. Now roll the rest over part of the pigtail upwards. Take your hair, divide it into four parts and tie all the four parts in the form of a ponytail. Take the upper two parts and join them together. After joining them, take all the two parts together and tie plaits. Now take that plate and join it with the lower part, making plaits again and decorating it. See how cute it looks. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a two ponytail. Divide it into two parts. Tie one part in the form of plait and another part through a gap and inserting that pigtail through the gap make a ribbon-like structure. Then from below, tie plaits and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of two plaits just like shown in the video. You should take hair from every corner of your hair after middle partition. The hairband or the hair hedge gives your hair a beautiful and cute look. Be very consistent in your work, do not hurry if you want perfect results. Take your hair, divide it into four parts. Take the upper part and keep tying plaits out of them, leaving few strands of hair loose. Now take the few strands of the hair from the sides, corner, middle and upwards and then attach the lower hair again with the help of the upper hair, tying them in the form of plaits again. Now crisscross the plait and then done. Take your hair, divide it into three parts. Tie the upper part in the form of a ponytail. Tie the lower part in the form of two plaits. Now take the upper ponytail and roll it around the rubber band of the upper part and then secure it properly with your favorite rubber band. Take your hair, divide it into four parts. Take the upper part and tie plaits. Take the lower part and make that plait in the middle, joining all of them together and then let loosing the lower part of your hair. Take your hair, divide it into three parts. Take the first part of the hair, tie plaits and then insert a ribbon of your favorite liking through it and keep tying plaits out of the edge of the ribbon. You should be very clean in your work to get perfect results. Now crisscross the plaits upwards and downwards. Thank you for watching.